Today, I'm digging into the engineering marvels behind our gadgets and machines' proximity sensors. Proximity sensors are these ingenious little devices that can detect the presence of objects without any physical contact. They work by emitting signals like infrared light or ultrasonic waves and measuring the reflection back from nearby objects. No touch, no wear, and no tear, just pure, insanely complex engineering. Think about your smartphone, your car's parking assistance, and even industrial automation. In your smartphone, these sensors disable the touchscreen when you bring it close to your ear. They're also used in advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, in vehicles for parking assistance, blind spot detection, and collision avoidance. Different types of proximity sensors serve various purposes. Capacitive sensors detect non-conductive materials like plastic, while inductive sensors are perfect for metal objects. In the world of robotics, proximity sensors are vital. They help robots in a factory, seamlessly moving around without bumping into obstacles. And in industrial automation, they count objects, sense positions, and control levels, all without physical contact. From 2022 to 2030, the market of proximity sensors is expected to nearly double in value, reaching an astounding figure of $50.99 billion. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis of tech being reverse engineered.